Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I make videos on cleaning and organizing, all that good stuff. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It is great feedback for me. It lets me know that you like these kind of videos and to keep on making them. If these kind of videos are your thing, which they probably are because you're here watching them, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, so as you can see from the title, today's video is going to be all about a cosmetics and beauty supplies declutter and organization. All my makeup and cosmetics, including beauty supplies, hair supplies, and body care, they're all well organized, but I just had too much stuff out and available on a daily basis. Monday to Friday when I'm getting ready for work, I pretty much use the same products, so I wanted to get those out and separate them from everything else. I found that having all my makeup out all the time was just too overwhelming, and it was taking so long in the mornings to get ready. Not to mention it was really messy the way I had it set up. In my bedroom there's not much space between the end of my bed and where my vanity sits, so it was really awkward to be able to even open the drawer and use it properly. I didn't have enough lighting in my bedroom, so I also wanted to move all my cosmetics into the bathroom where I could get ready in the morning with better light and closer to the mirror. So with that in mind, I aimed for creating a capsule cosmetic collection with my everyday kind of ride or die stuff that I use all the time Monday to Friday. I didn't really want to get rid of all my makeup, so I just divided it into my everyday use and then my occasional or special occasion full face use. I did get rid of a lot of makeup because I noticed that I had stuff that I have had in here for years, like 5, 6, 7 years at least. Earth to Kylie Jenner, I refute. Earth to Kylie Jenner, I found your lip implants. I found your lip fillers. What a stupid thing this was. Okay, so for the capsule cosmetics collection, I picked up this bathroom caddy from good old Kmart for I think it was like $19, and I already had these plastic containers and glass jars to store all of my makeup and all my brushes and all of my accessories, and I just went through and I picked out all the things that I know I use on a daily basis. I just love having everything that I use on a daily basis, makeup, products, brushes, tools, everything that I use right there on hand, and that I don't have to go hunting through 100 different things to try and find what I'm looking for. It makes getting ready so quick and easy. So I did manage to set aside quite a bit of makeup to get rid of, and I actually found a place that will recycle your empty makeup. Excluding things like nail varnishes, hairsprays, aerosols, they will take all of your makeup and they will recycle the packaging for you. So I'm planning on dropping all this off to the recycling tomorrow. I've had this stuff, like I said, for years and years. It is way past good. I opened some up and some of it smelt a bit funky. So I was right, this is ready to go. Time to get rid of this. So now for the final look, this is what I came up with for storing all of my kind of higher end skincare that I really want to use up. I'm not sure how practical it is, it might just get too dusty, but I kind of like how it looks. It looks like it's its own little store display. I've actually been trialing the Ordinary products for about a month now. I really wanted to like them. Well, my bank account really wanted to like them because they are so much cheaper. Like you can buy the entire range for pretty much less than one item from Sunday Riley. You guys, I'm so happy with how this turned out. I am so loving having just a minimal collection of everyday items available. First of all, because nothing falls out on me when I open the doors or go to grab something off the shelf in the shower. It's just so much simpler and so much quicker to get ready. It is unreal. I wish I had done this ages ago, but just having that nice, streamlined, really curated collection of all my absolute favorite cosmetics and beauty products has made an amazing difference. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you found it encouraging and inspiring to clean up your beauty supplies. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more videos on cleaning and organizing. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.